Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited for this video guys because I have a huge box in front of me. Now this box is really special because it's a gift from my dad. By looking at the box itself you can tell it's a gaming chair. Yes, this is Gigabyte's Aorus gaming chair. Now you might tell that I already have a gaming chair from Cooler Master. Yes, it's right over here. But the reason is I have 3 computers at my home and there was only one gaming chair. That was not sufficient. That was the reason I was planning on a new gaming chair, but in the meantime, my dad itself bought this gaming chair as a gift to me. This is Gigabyte's Aorus AGC 300 gaming chair. It comes in this huge box. The box looks quite similar to the one Cooler Master sent us. So let's get started with the unboxing. So the Gigabyte's AGC 300 gaming chair comes in this huge box. You've got the Aorus logo on it, and let me show you what else is written on the box. The model of this chair is AGC 300 and you've got some pictures of the product on both the left and right sides. Looks pretty cool, right? The MRP on the box says 48,000 rupees, but it's available in the price range of about 25,000 rupees. So that's about the box packing. There's nothing much written on it. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just cut this tape on the box. Here we go. Whoa, ho, ho, look at that chair. Just look at that color scheme. It's got an orange and black color combination. That is pretty awesome. You know, it matches with my Duke. Alright, let me just take all these parts out of the box. I can't do it alone, definitely need some help from my dad. So at the top of the box, we've got the upper part of the chair, the backrest. Let me take it out of this cover. Wow, this thing looks awesome. The chair has a racing inspired design, and from my first impressions I have to say, the build quality looks awesome. You've got the Gigabyte Aorus logo on both the front and the back. Let's just put it aside and take the other parts out. Below that you have the 5-leg base for the chair. It's a black color base made of metal and plastic and has nice looking orange accents on all the ends. Gives it a very sporty look. Here's the headrest pillow with the Aorus logo on it, and this is the lumbar support cushion. The cushion looks very soft and spongy. Now let's take the main seat out of the box. This is the actual base seat of your chair and looks like it comes prefixed with the handles. Well, that's a good thing, it saves you a lot of time. Along with the chair you get a mini box over here. Let's also unbox it and see. Oh, looks like you have a lot of stuff inside this box. You get a pair of gloves so you can put them on while assembling this chair. You also get a piece of paper with all the instructions on how to assemble this chair step by step. And 5 wheels in a packet. They're high quality lockable dual caster wheels. There's also a gas spring in the box for height adjustment of the chair, and this is the main mechanism that adjusts the height of the gaming chair. You can control the mechanism with this lever. It's fully made of metal and has a good build quality. And finally you get a packet of screws. So these were all the items you got in that huge box. Just like Cooler Master's chair, you need to assemble this yourself before it's ready to be used. I'm quite impressed by the fabric material used on this chair, very high quality and has high density flexible foam inside. The Aorus gaming chair is built on a steel internal architecture, so it's super strong and durable. Now I'll just be showing you a quick time lapse of the assembling process because if I show you in detail, it's gonna take a lot of time. Assembling this chair is very easy. I've already made a video on Cooler Master's Extreme Performance Gaming Chair recently where I showed the complete assembling process. Just watch that video completely and you can assemble any gaming chair on your own. I'll just leave a card to that above, you can check it out there. So let's get started. So our gaming chair has finally been assembled guys, and this is how it looks like. It looks really awesome. I love the black and orange color scheme. Let me just sit on it and see how it feels like. Ooh. Wow. Feels really comfortable. The headrest cushion is also really soft. It's very spongy. And even the lumbar support, it's very thick and comfortable when you sit on it. I love the comfort on this chair. It's also adjustable, guys. The angle is adjustable with this lever. Oh. You can totally sleep on this chair. I'm getting a bit scared. Wow. Very nice. Quality of this gaming chair is excellent. So this is how beautiful our Gigabyte Aorus gaming chair looks like. It's got this awesome orange and black color combination with the Aorus logo stitched in white color. This chair has a racing inspired design and has carbon fiber like finish on the edges of the seat. That looks very cool. The lumbar support is also adjustable. You can push it up or down wherever you feel it's comfortable. And talking about the stitching quality, I don't need to tell a word. You can clearly see how well built the chair is in the video. And coming to the bottom part, this is how the base looks like. It looks strong and durable. The company says it can take a max load of up to 120 kgs. Now let me show you how the AGC 300 looks from the back. Smoking hot, right? Just look at that Aorus logo at the back. Both the headrest pillow and the lumbar support have clips attached to the end of the straps, so you can easily install or remove them as per your needs. Talking about the wheels, it's got high quality dual caster nylon wheels. The movements feel really smooth, and the best thing about them is these caster wheels are also lockable. You just need to push the switch down to lock the wheels. Now the chair won't move from its place. This is something new that was not there on my previous chair. Coming to the reclinability, this chair supports a tilt angle from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. With this massive adjustability, you can get the most comfortable seating positions possible. So that was it for today, guys. That was my unboxing and assembling of this Gigabyte Aorus gaming chair. It's a very good chair. The build quality is nice, the comfort is very good, it's got a lot of options, tilt adjustment, and I love the looks of this chair. Now if you would ask me, since I had two gaming chairs, which one is better, I'd say the Cooler Masters gaming chair has better color scheme. It looks attractive for me. And talking about the comfort, I felt the Gigabyte chair is a bit more comfortable than that one, because this has thick cushioning and I felt the pillows were really soft compared to that one. But what I like about that chair is the armrests. It's got 4D movements in those armrests. On this one you can only adjust the height. You can't swivel it or do anything else on it. And one more thing, guys, that chair is not for resale, whereas this one, it's available at many places, you can buy it anywhere. This chair costs about 24 to 25,000 rupees. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.